Hello, welcome to the stream. Streaming after a long time. So yeah, it's working fine. So today we will be making this tool, which is called as Go Witness. It's like a screenshot utility. So you provide a website and it will take screenshot of it from terminal. But we want to create it in Rust so that it will be much more faster and have less dependencies and other benefits. So yeah. Let me just create a project, cargo new, and I will be naming it Rusty Witness. As you can see, it is here created right there. We can just see into it. Yeah, here it is. And let me open this project in Sublime Text. Okay. Yeah, chat will be here so I can see it. And for that, to perform the web request, we have this crate called as headless Chrome, which we can use for a lot of things like network request interception, JavaScript coverage monitoring, and as you can see, the thing we are interested in is taking screenshot of elements or the entire page. So in order to use this crate, let me go to crates.io page of it. We have to add this in our cargo.toml file, which is right here, this. But for now, let us test if it's working alright. So if I cargo run it, it should print hello world. Yep, it's printing hello world. So wait. So if yes, you can see it is printing hello world. So I will just quickly add that dependency here. We want this crate headless Chrome, and inside our main.rs we want to import it. Use headless Chrome, and what we need, let's just take the example they have given and we can edit it. So let me copy it from here. Sorry, protect. Yeah, and inside here I will paste it here. Okay, so we will rename this to browse. So it's creating a browser and then it's waiting for it to open, and once it's open we are navigating to it, and then we are creating a screenshot of it. Yeah, here using this capture screenshot, and we can do it in different formats like JPG and PNG, but for now let's just make it in PNG only. I want screenshot format to be PNG. Yeah. PNG data. Let me remove this. So if we try to run let's cargo check it. So it will download the crate and check everything. Hello. Well, yeah, it's downloading all its dependencies and all that. It will download the crate and build it for us. You can see there is 138 dependencies. Then, so we want to take a URL and it will do it for us. We are just interested in capture screenshot function and this navigate to. I don't think we are worried about all this. And stuff takes a time to download and build the crate depending on your internet connection and speed. And then it's almost done. Yep. You can see there was no error. So if I, yeah, there is no error, so that means it is compiled successfully. So let me just remove the unnecessary code which we are not interested in. Yeah, I think we should wait till it's loading, but let's just see. And let's make it main function. We are not returning this. Okay, and we want to write this png data to some file. So let's quickly search how to write data to a file in Rust. Or we can use it like this method. So let's do this. We will use standard fs and we'll use this write function to write it. First is file name and then is data. So use fs colon write. We want to write in, let's say, screenshot.png and we want to write png data. If it, I don't know, if it fails, just say failed to write data. Yep, I think that should be it. So just check it again. Okay, so you can see cannot use operator. Okay, so just for now we are doing it this way. Just to get it working, we will make it better later. Okay, here it is, and yeah, this should be fine now. Method not found in. Okay, so I think it needs to be in the format of returning. Okay, let's just take a look at their examples provided. And yeah, let's make a function to return this. and we will return okay at the end. Okay, I check it. Capture screenshot supplied one argument, expected three. Let's read its documentation. I mean, there's providing just one argument here, right? Capture screenshot. Oh, okay, okay. Let's provide this none and true. Use of undeclared character module failure. Okay, yeah. Just allow this thing. So this way it don't give us warnings that it's giving. Now it's time to read the documentations of this. Let's check the examples in repo. Take screenshot data is, yeah, it's using this failure. Okay, can use it this way also. Okay. Mm, yeah. So we need this crate. Let me just take this example. And try to run it. Undeclared module failure. Okay, so just let it be here as a reference. Failure, we want the error. Yep, it's discrete. Called as failure. No, hi. Will yeah. Now finally it's working as intended. So unused documents. I think So there is no file. If I run it, it will take time to compile. So then we can see the documentation. No, it takes a lot of time to compile just initially. And once it's all compiled, yeah, all result on error. Okay, so I think we just need to wait until navigated. Mm, hey, so I think there is no Chrome executable. It will be pain to set up Chrome inside WSL2. Let's try to fix it. No, no idea. Mhm. If you know how to fix it, you can tell in chat. I have Chrome on Windows, but not in WSL, so mm, there is no paper here. Okay, so is there any Chrome driver? No. Um, I didn't expected this to go in this way. Not in Rust, in WSL2. Yeah, I think it's the okay. Mhm. So we need this Chrome driver. Mhm. So find the URL of Chrome driver. Okay, so I think we need to first install this Chrome. Hope this won't take long. Then can we stay? Hmm. So I will just do this. Hmm. For this headless Chrome to work, it needs some Chrome drivers. And for that, needs Chrome to be installed. Yeah, install it. I had Chrome on Windows, so I thought there won't be any problem while using on WSL2. Mhm. So we want to download it and yeah, this should be it. Till I will just check the stream if working. Yeah. If you don't know, by the way, till the time you can make sure to take a look at let me know. It's another tool made in Rust. It can identify like any strings. You can just run it and it will tell you what the string is. Just in case you are interested in. So like this. So I want to check the version of Chrome. Yep, it's 9.3.0.63. Okay, it's 0.63. Mhm. Find the URL of Chrome driver version that matches your Chrome version. And it's saying our Chrome version is this. I thought this will be Chrome. Rest video, it's like more of troubleshooting video. I can't find this version. If you are using Chrome version selection page, remove the last part. Okay, so I don't need any. Yeah, I will just do it this way and paste it. It's saying, yeah, okay then. I will do this for the Linux 64-bit. I will copy link address and wget. Okay, want to unzip it. And then this is just my usual development workflow. I spend way less time coding and more time fixing the issues. Let's see if it's working. Yeah. So now we have Chrome driver installed and cargo run should work this time at least. Yeah. And here is the screenshot.png. So let me open it. Explorer. If I open the screenshot, yeah, you can see it went to that site and took the screenshot of it. So if I change the URL to, let's say, my web page, github.io, wait until navigated, capture its screenshot and write it to that file. So cargo run. Let me open it in Explorer. It should be screenshot of my website, and yeah, you can see it's actually the screenshot of my website. The problem is it's not page, right? It's like a very tiny window of it. So if you want to see if it's actually, yeah, it actually took just screenshot of that part only. So we want to capture the screenshot of full page. Screenshot format. I think there should be some more information in the documentations. Yeah, caption. Capture screenshot takes a self argument, format, clip, and from surface. Okay, so clip just takes a screenshot of specific reason. Okay. Let's try to margin the viewport of it. Uh, Surface rather than view. Okay. So we want to play with this option. This clip. The screenshot can be used to get regions of certain elements. Okay, so capture screenshot. For now, the only problem is just taking a screenshot of part, not like the whole screenshot of web page. And specified region only. Let's check what kind of functions are there. Wait until navigated. Mm, okay. So let's see what if we try to make it a JPG instead of this. So instead of PNG, we will make it a JPG form. We want to make it JPG. Not Explorer. We'll run it. It will build and run. These are just warning due to unused imports and documentation. Where refresh it. Yeah, this is the JPG file. Yep, sizes are still the same. Just file format is different. Screenshot of entire browser window. So let's just create the browser with bigger window. Create a headless browser. Yeah. So to create instead of this default, we can create with another option. So here is the browser. Can default. Yeah, here it is. New tab with option. We can create some width and height. This is it, I think. Hmm. For now, let me just copy it. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I didn't saw the chat. Sorry. I was busy in fixing the issue, to be honest. So instead of this tab, I will create a new tab with options, and we need this URL. It's going browser man. Okay, we don't want to navigate, and What was the function to wait until? Yeah, okay. So if I just now I cargo run it. Okay. Tab is not found in scope because it's named as new tab. We want tab. I will run it. No method. Yeah, there is no method name this. So I will just keep it as it is. And this again. This build now. Yes, finally. I want to make it minimized. Soon. Yeah, not this JPG one is old one. Now if I open it, yeah, it's the screenshot within the defined height and weight. Let me just make it 1920 1080. And I think I can safely remove all this. Will cargo run it again? And yeah, you can see it's much better now. We can use any website now. So let's try to use this website. Mhm. Next thing is that we need to make it, able to parse the arguments. And I think we can say remove this. We don't need the reference anymore. Okay, I will run it. And now, yeah, you can see it's the same page. But some elements were remaining to load. So it just blank right there and here. But it's the same page. You can see. So we got the MVP ready. So this is the minimum viable product. We don't need this import. And we can import this in the above itself. We don't need a new line for this also. Can just specify it here and it will work just fine. We don't need new tab. And now Yeah. Yep. And this time it loaded much more things, like it actually loaded the GIF here and the text which was here 6 days ago and all that. We can, if you want, we can just add some timeout to wait it for loading, or you know, we can just take this and make it here. So it will wait until navigated, and there will be some options for like wait until the tab is completely loaded. Yeah, and we can also use something like wait for some specific elements. But for now, this is just exactly fine. We can just ask user to specify some height and weight. If you want, we can customize that. It's a lot more customizable for now. We can use the clap, clap crate to parse the arguments like used in this code here. You can see we are using clap for it to parse the arguments. So yeah, we got some time, so we can just do it right now really quick. So, for now, I don't need all this, or just let it be here. I don't actually care. And if we want this matches, that's the only thing we care about right now. Yeah. So first we will specify a URL, not some text. And for now, that's it. We don't want any more arguments. Website URL. Okay. And we will be using it here. So you can see here we are using if let statement to match it. And then we are calling this function. So we'll do the same thing here. We will we'll say let, yeah, if let some URL equal to matches dot, what's the syntax for its value of value of we want we want the value of URL, not anything. Yeah, and we will create a tab if there is an URL. And then right, let me just do all these things since I create this URL. Okay, so let me check it quickly. I'll just try to run it directly. That's okay. So I need to specify the clap rate in cargo.toml like I did it here. This and we don't have to call it two times. We just plug it in here. Now if I cargo run it, it will try to download the crate. Takes a lot of time to compile that. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so this method is not found. Let me just make it here only. Yeah, you can see it's asking for URL now, and we can specify any URL and it will take the screenshot. But first of all, let me format the code. Yep, I used Rust FMT, so Rust format, and it formatted the code for me. So let's test it out. I will say cargo run and provide a URL. If I have any, I think, yeah, I have this URL. And it should provide me a screenshot. You can see the sidechain, so it's a different screenshot. Yeah, it's providing me a screenshot. It's working. Let's try some another site. Yeah, let's see if it actually can take the screenshot of this thing right here. So cargo run. Yeah, take screenshot of this. Yeah, not this one. We refresh it. And yeah, as you can see, it took the screenshot of that page. So it's not loaded completely yet, but yeah, it is taking the screenshot of the whole page as per the specified dimensions. And we can parse the arguments. So we can just specify width and height and have some default values as this. Yeah, for now it's a nice MVP. MVP meaning that it's a minimum viable product. So it needs a lot of improvements. Yeah, for now it's just fine. We also want to take the output names, and instead of just taking one URL, we might want to also parse some file having a lot of URLs in it, to automate the task. We will do it some we'll do it later. And I will upload this code and post it on my GitHub and work on it. And if you want to improve this code and add some more features, you can just submit some PRs or open issues. For now, good night. I will end the stream now.